Hello there everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to access the ebook provider Enki from your smartphone. Enki does not have a mobile app, so the steps to check out books and read them on your device will be a bit different than they would on, say, a computer. Let's get started. The two apps you're going to want to have installed on your device before we begin are the Riverside County Library System app and the Adobe Digital Editions app. You can find these by searching for Riverside County Library System, or RCLS, and Adobe Digital Editions in your App Store. Once you have these apps downloaded, go ahead and open up Riverside County Library System app. From this homepage, you'll have a few options for navigation at the bottom. You're looking for e-audiobooks and ebooks. From here, navigate to eBooks. On this page, you'll see a list of our current ebook providers. Click on the Visit button below Enki. You should be directed to a page like this. If navigating on this page is uncomfortable for you, and you'd like something similar to what you'd see on your computer screen, you can click the Go to Standard View button, and you'll be redirected to your usual Enki webpage. You'll have a few options for navigating your search where it says keyword. From here you can go by title, author, subject, ISBN, or tag. In this case, I'm going to search for an author I enjoy and see what results come up. Alright, it looks like Enki has quite a few of this author's books. I'm going to go ahead and click this one to get more information. Now on this page, you should get a brief description of the book, as well as a bit of info about the format, language, and publisher. Towards the bottom, you'll see Checkout, Save to List, and Add Tag. Let's go ahead and check this out. Here is where you'll sign in with your library card number. If you're using a Riverside County Library System card, your PIN should be the last 4 digits of your phone number. Go ahead and sign in now. Here you'll see that the checkout was successful. You can go ahead and tap the Close button. Next, you'll be redirected to a page that has all of your current checkouts. You'll see I have quite a few here, and the one we just checked out is at the bottom. You'll be able to see when you checked it out and when the due date is. You'll also be able to see if anybody else is waiting on this book. There is an option for reading online, downloading, or returning. The read online option does not work on a mobile device, so we're going to download it and open it in Adobe Digital Editions. Go ahead and tap the download button now. Your phone may ask you if you would like to download this. Go ahead and click download to confirm. In the top right corner of my screen, you'll see that there's a blue bubble. This can vary depending on your device. On my iPhone, it shows as a circle with an arrow pointing down to show my downloads. I'm going to tap on that now to open it. From here, I'm going to click on the download itself. Now this looks like a bunch of gibberish, but that's fine. You'll see in the top right corner, there's a square now with an arrow pointing up. Go ahead and tap that. And again, this can vary depending on what your device is. And we're going to scroll through the options here to see if there's a way to open this book. Now Adobe Digital Editions is not listed here, so I'm going to go to the end where it says More and tap that. And scroll down until I see Copy to Digital Editions. Go ahead and tap that now. This will download the book to your library and open it right up. From here, you'll be able to swipe and read your book. There are a few options available to help customize your reading experience. You'll see that the words here are a bit close together. If you tap the screen, you bring up this menu. Along the bottom are a few options to change your view. The second button, which looks a bit like a sun, can change the background if reading on a stark white screen is uncomfortable for you. The next button, in the shape of a T, will let you change the text size and width. And the final button is for searching within the text, if, for instance, you've lost your place. If you go to these 3 lines in the top left corner, you'll be able to navigate through Adobe Digital Editions. When I tap Library, I'll be able to see the entirety of my Adobe Editions library. Now back in the Enki app, if there's a book you would like to return, you may simply scroll to it and tap Return Now. It'll ask you to confirm that you'd like to return the title. I'm going to click OK to confirm. And the title was returned successfully. When your page loads again, it should be removed from your checked out titles. The great thing about ebooks is that there are no late fees. Even if you don't check it in by hand, all books will be checked in automatically when their due date comes up. And that is how to use the ebook provider Enki on your smartphone. I sincerely hope this video was helpful for you. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to email, call, or live chat with your library support team. Happy reading!